In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select security and mark fingerprint. So if you would like to add it, click on fingerprint management, provide your pattern if you have one, and if you don't, you will have to provide some new one, which will be the backup to your fingerprint. And now let's register fingerprint. As you can see, you've got the sensor on the back cover right here. So let me just place my finger on the sensor, and you have to put it on the sensor and then lift it up until it's fully added. You will see there 100%, that's it. And as you can see, fingerprint has been added. Tap on OK then. And from now on, if you want to unlock your device, you can either use this pattern that you had or you registered before, like when you added fingerprint, or you can smoothly use the sensor and your fingerprint, smoothly tap it. And that's it. So that would be all. This is how you can add a fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.